No Dead Rising, no Crackdown. Halo! There's no fucking Halo! There's no way. There's no fucking way. This is all... Get a job. More games? Damn, fucking good.
What the hell? What the hell is going on? Oh no. What the fuck is this about?
College for how many months?
Oh boy.
What are you doing in a mower? You've been out of school for 3 months. That doesn't matter. This is what I want to do. I want a game. Well, you want a game, but you got to get a job while you do it too. You're insane. Why are you going? What are you going to mow them over? Yeah, I'm going to mow them over. That way you get out of your room for a little while. Maybe you'll get a job. You've been out of school 3 months now. Gaming is going to be my job. Well, I do it. I'm really good at it. You got student loans. You got car payment. You got insurance. I'm really fucking good at it. Hey, yeah. Well, you got to make money while you're not destroying my game. Oh, pick up while you can. Pick up while you can. Please don't mow them over. This cost me like hundreds of dollars. It's an expensive hobby. I don't care. You got to get a job. What is this out of your room for one? What does this achieve? What does that achieve? What is this gonna do? Mowing my games over. Maybe you'll quit playing for a while, get a job, pay some of your bills. I'm never gonna quit playing.
Oh, God. It's okay. GameStop was just like starting to revamp their.
You want your fucking YouTube videos? Oh, you think it's funny?
Oh, little island native over here.
Step the dog shit. Fuck you.
Oh shit! He's fucking psycho. Jesus fucking Christ!
Fucking asshole. Stupid. Hate my family.
Oh God, are you really gonna do it?
Okay.
Oh, that is too bad. Oh, he's scrounging for the parts again. Oh wait, a survivor? Oh, he lost the disco.